got done with therapy, and honestly, that has changed my whole day around. I was honestly feeling so anxious and like wondering if I should cancel because I was just like, I don't want to have to go deep today. And thankfully, because my therapist knows me, we didn't go deep. We honestly hit on some stuff that made me feel a lot more relieved, a lot more like, okay, I can do this, I can handle this, this is not going to bring me down, stuff like that. So I recommend it. Go to therapy. Graham is hungry. An hour before she's supposed to be hungry. You're too early, my love. So I'm going to have to find a way to kind of keep her, you know what? Advent calendar. Solved it. Let's do it. Come on, Graham. It's Advent calendar time. Let's go, boo-boo. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, day 6. I know, hun. Let's put it in your popper that's over here. Graham, why are you... You're funny. Oh, no. Going in your popper. You're going to be so chubby by the end of the month. My chubby girl. Okay, here you go. Pop it around. They all came out at once. Oh, goodness, Grimmy. You guys are going to be so proud of me. I'm very proud of me. Me and this caramel syrup are so proud of me right now. So what I'm doing is we're doing it today. And on top of that, we're gonna try this out. I was going to make something healthy, but then today happened, and in attachment to what happened yesterday, which was the Monday of all Mondays, right? I just could not be bothered to do anything other than this garbage in my diet. So, let's do it. This is giving me an idea. I got that cucumber, not knowing what to do with it. I'm gonna put it on top. We're gonna be slightly healthier. I already have some soft-boiled eggs, and I have some Kim. So we're gonna make something similar. Unfortunately, I don't have moo. That's just, you know, the way the cookie crumbles. But we're going to make delicious soba. Yeah. I don't even know how to react to this. Like, I guess I should have expected it from that. But the color of these noodles, what? Oh yeah, I ended up getting some green onion in there too. But just look at this soft-boiled egg. This is gonna be so good. All right, I think it's time to make some mojito that I was not able to make last weekend because I got too tired. And I have been having quite a couple of days that I think a nice minty, refreshing cranberry mojito would just hit the spot, you know? That's actually really good. Dang. Merry Christmas. The noodles. I'm looking fire. Let me get a better shot. I am so sorry things have not been very fast the past couple of days. My job has been so out of control busy. But I am watching the Muppets Christmas Carol, eating a Trader Joe's peppermint creme, which I need to get more of because these are way better than New York peppermint patties. And they have candy canes on top, and I'm obsessed. They're so good. I have to go back and get more this weekend. Hopefully they still have some. But yes, this weekend I promise is gonna be a lot more festive activities. And if I can sometime this week, put in a couple of little bits and pieces to make it more festive. If I honestly, I want it. That's what I want this time of year. How about you, Grim? How about you, Grim? Grim. Yeah, you, the person that's always yelling at me. I'm yelling at you now. Hello. How are you? Like, honestly, it's like most of the day she's just screaming at me. And then the part of the day where I actually want her to talk, she's quiet. This is worth it. Look at this view. I love Christmas time. It's just so pretty. I do think the drapes do look good. Oh, I need to light a candle. I only lit one of those wicks over there because it blew out. And now it's uneven, and I hate having uneven candles. So one there, one there. Those two votives I got at Hobby Lobby last year that glow with snowflakes on them. They're so pretty. And then my little IKEA lantern got lit. Oh, this is a vibe, Grim. Okay. I have to go to bed. I can't stay up another minute. I am so exhausted. So I'm actually going to sign off today. Amazing. And I'm going to go shower and go into my bed and sleep until the morning where I will see you again. Thanks for joining me. I have returned. I wasn't able to get a outfit shot at the gym because people were there and I don't like filming with people there. So this is what I wore. I thought it was cute. Oh yeah, so sporty. Woohoo. It is so foggy this morning. Like, it's like giving me, you know, like Christmas sleigh, you know, like die, like a Halloween Christmas movie. I'm into it. So pretty. All right, I'm gonna shower and then get ready to go to work. By that time, I probably won't have time to check in with you guys. So I will see you this evening when I'm back from work. All right, I'm actually gonna I'm gonna go outside into the real world today. I have a couple of things I need to pick up at a couple of stores, and I've realized that I spent the last week pretty much going gym, work, home, which isn't normally a big deal because I've worked really hard on making my house a place I would like to go to. My house is my haven, but society exists and I should probably spend some time in it. So I'm gonna go to a couple stores, drop off my trash sitting on the back of my car, and then I'll go home and see what else I need to do. Did you guys see the tree on top of that person's car? It's Christmas time. All right, I am done with my shopping. I'm gonna go home, make my dinner, and possibly, let's see here, it is Wednesday, not any new shows out, so I'll probably watch a Christmas movie. Yep, the last 5 minutes really did just remind me of why I stay home. Like, people who drive in this state they have no idea what they're doing, or they're too selfish to pay attention, and I'm just like, over it. All right, haul. I got some festive paper towels. I got snowflakes and candy canes on them. I got new oat milk creamer, peppermint mocha flavored, hummus for tonight, feta cheese and cranberries for tonight on the salad. And then this, I think I'm gonna make some hot chocolate tonight, honestly. And then this Ready Whip, just who's calling my name online. Toilet paper, great. And then nail stuff that I'm going to hopefully fix this baby with tonight. So far it's going really well. Let's see if I can show you. I built that nail with hard gel, and I'm now doing the same color top coat that I have done on others. I feel like impressed with myself. Are you impressed with me, Grim? I'm so glad to hear it. I was sitting here cuddling my little Grimmy, who's being so loving tonight, and trying to figure out what I was gonna watch. I was thinking maybe I should watch The Family Stone again, because I absolutely love watching The Family Stone. I could watch it on repeat, but I've already watched it twice this month. So I was looking, and on HBO Max they have National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, and I just feel like tonight's the night. Tonight's the move. Tonight we need to have, you know, the shitter full, I think. Merry Christmas. She's so loving tonight. I love it when you're in this mood. I realized I did not introduce what I just did. So I'm actually going to insert this before I did it. But what you're about to see is me cutting up a bubble bar from Lush that I got to be able to sprinkle over my baths during bath time. Especially this coming weekend where I'm going to do a spa day for myself. So I'm inserting that now. Now after, here is the finished product. It's so dark in here, sorry guys. But I use this cute little spoon and this little bath replica, I guess. And keep it next to my bath and I just spoon it in. Do not dump this because you're cuddly, Graham. I'm signing off by the light of my Christmas tree in my bedroom. I had plans to do a lot of things tonight and it just didn't happen because I decided I needed to take a little break and just not have anything going on. So that's it for today. And I'm probably going to be combining yesterday and today's into one video because I just didn't take enough yesterday, so it won't matter. So I'll see you guys in the morning.